Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday to all of you. Democrats could pass automatic stimulus checks for millions of Americans. This could mean monthly relief payments if the unemployment rate continues to increase significantly. This is your fourth stimulus check update and daily news report. Please, friends, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. Progressives in the Senate are campaigning for automatic stimulus checks and additional unemployment benefits in what could be a fourth stimulus recovery bill. In a letter to President Biden, a group of senators wrote, "This crisis is far from over, and families deserve certainty that they can put food on the table and keep a roof over their heads. Families should not be at the mercy of constantly shifting legislative timelines and ad hoc solutions. The Democratic proposal seeks to turn jobless benefits and stimulus checks into automatic payments in the future by tying them to economic indicators like the unemployment rate. The group of progressives argue that it's unfair for the American people to be left hanging on the whims of warring political factions." The letter stated that automatic stabilizers will give families certainty that more relief is coming, allowing them to make the best decisions about how to spend the relief payments as they receive them. Families should not have to worry about whether they'll have enough money to pay for essentials in the months ahead, as the country continues to fight this global crisis. The leaders do not specifically say in the letter how much the automatic direct checks or extended jobless benefits should be. The proposal builds on existing ideas from progressives in Congress to authorize recurring stimulus checks. Kamala Harris, Bernie Sanders, and Ed Markey put forward a proposal that would also send $2,000 per person plus $2,000 per child for up to $10,000 per month to all families earning less than $100,000 per year. Senator Ron Wyden has been pushing for a while for additional unemployment benefits to be tied to economic conditions. Referring to stimulus checks and the extended crisis jobless benefits, the letter said, "These two forms of payments are effective together. Unemployment insurance has replaced lost income for millions who have lost their jobs."
Well, good afternoon, everyone. The subject today is inflation. 90% of Americans believe inflation is the number one problem in the country. Some on the other side have described this as transitory or easily dealt with. I think all the indicators are that it's only going to get worse. Just to give you one tangible example, in my state, 750,000 people in Kentucky depend on natural gas or propane to heat their homes this winter. For many of my constituents, this is a choice, in some cases, between putting food on the table and staying warm. This could not be a more challenging problem confronting America. And as we all now know, this was created by this administration by dumping almost $2 trillion on the economy through the American Rescue Plan, and even liberal economists who actually like what they're trying to pass now, the reckless tax and spending spree, admit that on this issue, it will only make it worse.
Direct payments are crucial for supporting struggling families who are not reached by unemployment insurance. The effectiveness of those two relief provisions and their popularity among the public are two other reasons that lawmakers are pushing for these so-called automatic stabilizers to become law. So friends, do you support the lawmakers' proposal for more stimulus relief checks? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the key word for this video is sweet potato pie. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Make sure that you are also subscribed to my channel and comment below the keyword from each video. Thank you. The Biden administration and Democratic lawmakers were optimistic after the House passed their social spending and climate package late last week. expressing confidence that the Build Back Better Act will pass the Senate and ultimately land on President Biden's desk. Brian Deese, the director of the White House's National Economic Council, expressed confidence on that legislation that will pass the upper chamber, contending that after months of negotiations, the White House has a good understanding of where the consensus lies. The legislation, however, will likely undergo a number of changes in the Senate before a vote is scheduled. Adjustments are expected to be made after the Senate parliamentarian completes a review of the legislation and in response to opposition from some senators to specific provisions in the bill. Senator Jon Tester recognized the reality that the bill will likely see a number of changes as it makes its way through the chamber, but he had said that the reasonable people in the caucus can come up with a bill that is a very, very good bill that works for states like Montana and other states in the area. Jon Tester emphasized that compromise will be needed to send the package to Biden's desk, especially when it comes to provisions related to affordable housing, employment, and lowering prescription drug costs and health care costs. One lawmaker who will likely force a change to the package is Senator Joe Manchin, who has previously stated he is against including paid leave in the spending bill, arguing that it should be considered outside reconciliation, which is a legislative process that Democrats are using that will allow the 50-50 Senate to pass the bill through a simple majority without any GOP support. Friends, do you think that our lawmakers should use a budget reconciliation process to get the bill signed into law as soon as possible? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. So friends, that's the end of the video for this Tuesday morning. Thank you so much for joining me here today. To say thank you, I'm giving away 3 $100 Walmart gift cards every Friday during the month of November. If you would like to enter the giveaway, please make sure you click and like the videos. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and also comment below the keyword from each video. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very blessed Tuesday.